Today we are at one of the newest condo complexes at Lake of the Ozarks. This 30-unit condo complex at Sierra Bay just got finished. They've already sold 7 units here. We've got 23 more to go and they are going fast. We're excited to kind of show you some of the units and some of the amenities. Okay, right now we're in the model unit. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You can see that it is beautifully decorated. They did a great job on it. It's about 1,620 square feet. Amazing views. Just like all the units in here, they all have main channel views, yet code protected. Some of the things that you're gonna see in this unit are gonna be the stainless steel appliances. There's quartz and granite throughout every one of these units. The master bedroom is one of my favorite. It's a huge master bedroom with big 8-foot sliders, so you can see for miles. You've got a great main channel view right out as you're laying in bed. If you head into the bathroom, you'll see double vanity sinks with a giant tile shower all the way to the ceiling and a large walk-in closet. One of the things that really stands out when you're at this condo complex is just the topography, that there is literally no stairs going from, you take the elevator down, there's no stairs to the pool and no stairs to the dock. Really unique situation here at Lake of the Ozarks. Again, we're at the Sierra Bay Condos brand new condominium complex off of Harvest Road in Camdenton on the Big Niangua. If you have any interest or you want some more information, please give the Jason Whittle All Pro team a call at 1-800-836-2005. We'd love to give you a private tour. Thanks so much.